Think you've seen it all? Think again. At Forestry Tech, we bring you the boldest, dumbest, most jaw-dropping fails in heavy equipment history. This isn't just a video. It's a front row seat to mechanical mayhem. Let the madness begin. Oh my gosh, it's such a relief he didn't get hurt.
Fans out there tonight, let's hear from our John Deere fans. Come on, let's go green.
And that's the fastest way to gut a deer.
Oh man. Unbelievable right there, fans.
Holy!
Get his safety equipment off down there.
Black came right out. Look at the pistons. Look at the pistons.
What? Sure, green, smash. Oh my God,
Oh no! It would seem the world's worst digger driver has been found. The operator appears to have adjusted the tower position, potentially shifting the center of gravity. Operator error due to poor load awareness. The IMT 558 proves once again why it's a beast in the woods. With raw torque, rugged build, and excellent traction on icy terrain, it's engineered for forestry challenges. No frills, no drama, just results. Looks like the road is open now. What a miracle. Battle of the Beasts. The LKT-80 takes on the mighty Fendt 939 Vario in an all-out tug-of-war. Raw power, pure torque. Who's got the muscle to win this showdown? Place your bets. Zdechov 2017 gave us the ultimate battle. Tractor versus car wreck. Smash, crush, repeat. Comment below, Team Tractor or Team Wrecked. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind, and a 0 if it didn't quite impress you. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Babam da mı?
The IMT 540 found itself in a mud trap. The harder the wheels spun, the deeper they dug in, like quicksand pulling it down with no mercy. All right, folks, if you're seeding big acres, this is a setup you'll want to see. The Steiger 535 quad track gives you solid grip and power, and the Bourgault 3310 lays those seeds in with clean, even spacing. It's all about efficiency, and this combo delivers. This tractor rescue looked like something out of a training drill, except it was real. Judging by the weight, that bus easily topped 25,000 pounds. Hats off to the operator who knew exactly how to apply torque and traction without snapping the chain. And that's the incredible power of the tractor. My favorite brand, John Deere. This has to be the coolest sport I've ever seen. I've been looking at it for years now and then, and I never get tired of it. What a tough and big tractor driver. When you're talking serious snow rescue, the John Deere 6330 isn't just a tractor, it's your winter ally. With its robust four-wheel drive system, superior traction, and a power-packed engine, it pulls stranded vehicles with precision. Here comes the Schluter Profi Giant, loaded up at the Königsmoos old-timer meet back in '09. This beast doesn't fall apart easily. It can pull a 20-blade plow like it's nothing. From what I've heard, the thing was pieced together in Streitberger's workshop. And that roaring sound? That's no ordinary growl. It's a man engine under the hood. Pure power, pure legacy. Too much throttle, not enough traction. Once he dipped the rear axle below the mud line, that tractor turned into an anchor. When the going gets tough, teamwork steps up as the ultimate game changer. And right here, in this exact moment, you can see it in action. Got tight woods, steep trails, and heavy loads. The 440A handles it. It's known for great traction and visibility, plus it's easy to maintain. When you need a reliable skidder that won't quit halfway through the job, this is your go-to.